Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching me. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. So friends, in this video, we are going to learn the short trick for finding the trigonometric values of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So friends, let's get started. So friends, we assumed this as 0 degree, this as 30 degree, this as 45 degree, this as 60 degree and this as 90 degree. So here AC means anti-clockwise direction, sine goes in anti-clockwise direction and cos goes in clockwise direction. So friends, by this you can find the values of cos thetas, sin thetas and tan thetas. When you get these three values, you can find the remaining three values easily. So let's take our example, sine 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. So I told for sine we should go anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means we should go this side. So how many fingers are left? So 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are left. So we should find the root of 3. So root 3 and divide it by 2. So we got our value of sine as root 3 by 2. So let's take one more example, sine 30. So for sine 30, how many fingers are left? 1 and we should find the root of 1 and divide it by 2. So 1 root is 1 by 2. Compulsory we should find the root of the above number and we should always divide it by 2. So next let's take an example, sine 45 degree. So for sine 45 degree, how many fingers are left here? 2 fingers are left. So root 2 and we should find the root of 2 and then we should divide it by 2. So now you can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. You can write, so root 2 gets cancelled. So sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. We got sine 45 value 1 by root 2. So I hope you understood till here. So let's move on. Let's take another example, sine 90. So for sine 90, how many are left? Sine 90 is this. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. So we should find the root of 4 and divide it by 2. So root of 4 is 2 and by 2. So sine 90 value is 1. So let's find out our cos values. So friends, for simple understanding, we made a small diagram. I know it is not looking good, but for understanding we made it. So friends, let's find out our cos values. Cos 60. So let's take cos 60 value. So I told you for cos we should go clockwise. So here 60 and now you should go this side. So how many are remaining? Only 1 is remaining. So you should find out the root of 1 and divide it by 2. So for cos also the same process. So root of 1 is 1 and by 2. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So let's take one more example, cos 30. So how many are remaining this side? So 1, 2, 3. 3 are remaining. So we should find the root of 3 and divide it by 2. So we got our cos 30 value. So cos 45. So for cos 45, here how many fingers are remaining? 2. So we should find root 2 and divide it by 2. So 2 we can write as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by root 2. So for cos 45 only we should find such a big process. Others are very much easy. So let's take one more example, cos 90. So how many fingers are remaining after 90? No fingers. So take 0. Root 0 is 0 only and divide it by 2. So root 0 is 0 by 2, which is 0. So cos 90 value is 0 and let's take cos 0 value. So how many are remaining? 4 fingers are remaining. So root 4 divided by 2. So root 4 is 2 by 2. So our answer is 1. So Our cos value is also completed. So friends, I will provide you one more easy trick for cos values. See, here sine values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These are sine values. And cos values are the reciprocal of this. See, 1, you should write 1 first. Then root 3 by 2 you should write. Then you can write 1 by root 2. Then 1 by 2 you should write. And then 0 at the last. So this is a shortcut for cos values. So friends, let's find out our tan values. So tan 60 value, let's find out tan 60 value. So for tan 60 value, now see here once, now this is 60. So how many are remaining this side? 3 are remaining. So you can write root 3. And how many are remaining here? 1 is remaining. And you should write root 1. In this, for tan, you should check how many are remaining here. So you should keep how many are remaining? 3 are remaining. You should find the root of 3. And how many are remaining this side? You should write below it as a denominator, and you should find the root of denominator also. So root 3 and root 1 value is 1. So we got tan 60 value root 3 by 1, which is root 3. So friends, let's take tan 30. So for tan 30, how many are remaining this side? Only 1 is remaining. We should find the root of 1. And how many are remaining this side? 3 are remaining. So we should find the root of 3. So now root 1 value is 1 and 1 by root 3 we got. So let's take tan 45. So for tan 45, see how many are remaining this side? 2 are remaining. So we should find root of 2. And how many are remaining this side? This side also same 2 are remaining. So we should find the root of 2. So root 2 gets cancelled. So our answer is 1. So friends, how many are remaining this side? Nothing is remaining. So we can take it at 0. So 0 root is 0 only. And how many are remaining this side? 4 are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are remaining. So we should find the root of 4. So root of 4 is 2. So 0 by 2, our answer is 0. So let's take tan 90. So for tan 90, how many are remaining this side? 4 are remaining. So we should find the root of 4. And how many are remaining this side? Nothing is remaining. So we can take 0. 0 root is 0 only. So you will get root 4 value is 2 by 0. So 2 by 0 is undefined, is not defined. If you divide 2 by 0, you will get infinity. So friends, our tan value is also completed. So friends, now you can easily find the values of cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So the reciprocal of tan is cot theta, the reciprocal of cos is sec theta, and the reciprocal of sin is cosec theta. See, cot is the reciprocal of tan, sec is the reciprocal of cos, and cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So we know our sin values, cos values and tan values, so we can easily put. So let's take sin 60 value. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So now you can find cos 60 value. Cos 60 value is root 3 by 2 is our answer. So you will get 2 by root 3. You should reciprocal it. So like this you can find your values. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like it, share it, comment on it and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Goodbye.